Now that your students have completed your EDpuzzle assignment, let's look at the data EDpuzzle gives to you. Up at the top nav bar, click on My Classes, and then you want to make sure you're on the Assignments tab as well. Select the class that you want to view, and the various assignments will show up here. Now, doesn't it just give you a warm, fuzzy feeling to see 100% completed? Now, I wish this was a real class. This is just a test class. If you can click on the Progress button, you will see each student's progress in your class listed here in a long list. Now, I only have 2 in this test class. Let's look at the information this gives you. You start with the student name, show you if they watched the video, and it will show you their grade. Now, I've used some short answer questions here, so I'd have to do a little bit of work to clean this up first. But if you use just multiple choice questions in which EDpuzzle can indicate whether the answer was correct or not, you won't have to do anything here. First, I'll have to go in and check her short answer responses to see if they're correct or not. So let me click on a student and you'll see the student view. When I click on Alicia, look at this information here. I can see the video progress bar at certain timestamps, and I can see how many times Alicia watched each portion of the video. She must have been stumped here because she had to watch this section 4 times. She watched this section twice. And then for each question here, it will show green if the answer was correct and red if it was incorrect. Now, it only auto graded this question because this was the only multiple choice question. I can go through on my short answer questions, read her response, and mark it either correct or incorrect. Then, when I go back up here, I'll see my green and red, and I can see where each individual student has struggled, how many times they watched each portion of the video. Here you can get their score at a glance, correct responses, and their grade here. And you can look at each question and that student's actual response. This is pretty powerful data analytics here for all of your students.